How to log into the eBay app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into eBay on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to basically go ahead and then log into the eBay application on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the eBay application here, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just make sure to go ahead and then basically it will directly take you to this pop-up page where you can sign in. So you can tap the sign in option over here, and then once you tap on sign in you can choose to log in with email or username. But before that, what you can do is, if your account is associated with either of the Apple, Facebook or Google accounts over here, you should be able to also log in very easily without entering the password. But if you want to log in with email or username and password, you can tap on the email password option and then just make sure to enter your username or email that you can find here, and then also make sure to enter the password, tap on the sign in option, and then you'll get successfully signed in. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into the eBay application on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.